In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to view Proof conversion statistics. Whether you're new to Proof or just looking to dive deeper into your website's performance, knowing how to access and interpret these stats is a game changer for optimizing your marketing strategy. Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to share how you can get an exclusive free trial to Proof with some additional bonuses to help you get the most out of the software. Now, when you first log into your Proof dashboard, you'll see a variety of options. To view your conversion statistics, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Statistics tab. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you can track how well your Proof widgets are performing in real time. Once you're inside the Statistics section, you'll notice a few key metrics right away. Let's start with the conversions number. This is essentially the number of visitors who interacted with your Proof notification and took the desired action, whether it's signing up, making a purchase, or something else. Next, you'll want to look at the conversion rate. This is one of the most important metrics, as it tells you the percentage of people who converted after seeing your Proof notifications. To get the most value, always compare this rate against the baseline conversion rate for your website or landing page. If it's higher, you're on the right track. In the activity section, you can filter by date ranges to analyze trends over time. For example, comparing weekly or monthly stats gives you insight into whether your conversion rates are improving as you tweak your campaigns. You can even see what day and time your visitors are most likely to convert. This allows you to optimize your timing and exposure. A powerful feature of Proof is its ability to show you data on how individual notifications are performing. Let's say you've set up multiple widgets or campaigns. Here, you can track which ones are driving the highest conversions. If one campaign is outperforming another, this gives you a clear direction for future efforts. Additionally, Proof lets you break down your conversion statistics by different traffic sources. This is crucial for understanding which channels are driving the most conversions. Are your social ads more effective than organic search? Knowing this can guide where you focus your marketing budget. And if you're someone who's always looking to refine your strategy, use Proof's A/B testing capabilities. This lets you compare different variations of your campaigns. The software automatically tracks which version performs better in terms of conversions, giving you a simple way to optimize continuously. Now, before I let you go, here's something important. You can use Proof for free right now through the first link below, and it comes with some awesome exclusive bonuses. This extended free trial will allow you to test out the full range of features without commitment, helping you maximize your conversions and see what works best for your business. Thanks for watching, and if you're serious about improving your website's performance, don't forget to check out that exclusive free trial offer in the description below.